Here's one for the Tri-Fi fans, and it is a beauty. Look at the stance of this car. 1955 Chevrolet 210 post that has been done up as a Bel Air. You go by the VIN, you're going to see it's a 210, but overall just an absolutely gorgeous car. Recent restoration on this one. This one was actually restored between 2009 and 2014. And yes, the paint looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the video. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work in the front of this car, that iconic front end. And underneath the hood, according to the dyno sheets, 402 big block. Power steering, power brakes, AC, paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Drilled and slotted rotors at all four corners. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see what I'm talking about, take your time looking through them. The underside, the interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Lightly tinted windows. The interior, when we get around to the driver's side, I'm going to open the door, we'll start it up. Let's check out the interior. And hopefully I don't butcher this name too bad. Ciadella Interiors out of Arizona. It's actually a Italian leather, and it is absolutely beautiful, just like the rest of this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I believe if you look at the underside, you can see Flowmaster exhaust. And yes, underside looks as nice as the top, the exterior, and the interior of this car. Once again, those undersides can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. It's riding on Colorado custom polished wheels, radial tires. It's actually painted in 2013 during the restoration process. Just take a look at these gaps as far as how the body lines line up. And then take a look at the reflection off of that paint. This car has turned a lot of heads since coming into our showroom just recently. All right, here's that interior I'm talking about. Look at that. And again, an Italian leather. It does kind of have a nap to it. That's where you're getting a little bit different shades. So there's a little bit of nap to it. Tilt column. Again, vintage AC, power steering, power brakes, so nicely equipped. Color scheme carried on throughout the headliner and the rest of the car. Still retaining a very stock 55 looking dash, with the exception, of course, of the retro sound style radio and then your AC vents down below. But what a gorgeous interior also. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, big block powered, vintage AC controls in the stock control location. Wow. Nicely, that door closes, slip around to the back. There's that big block sound. This one will turn heads with the sound and the looks, and wait till we open the hood on this one. Speaking which, let me get up there. We're going to pause this a second. Let's check out the engine bay. I think we know what that's going to look like. Stunning.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here it is, underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy, just like you expected. And then some just tastefully done bright work underneath here with the polished valve covers, alternator, air cleaner cover, headers, running an Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock intake, HEI ignition. Boy, does it run smooth. There you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, 1955 Chevrolet 210 Post, done as a Bel Air. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you want to see the still pictures. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle is eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email